Using a pick or a small screwdriver, go ahead and pop this little button out. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, you can go ahead and remove this screw and the one from the inside door handle. Using a trim tool or screwdriver, you can get behind the door panel right here and pry out. And go ahead and start releasing the plastic push pins that hold the door panel in place by gently pulling outward. Once you get all the pins released, gently lift upward. So the rod itself just needs to pop out sideways from this retainer clip. So what we need to do is we need to drill out the pin that this handle pivots on. And the pin is exposed in the bottom right here, and then the head of it is up top. The handle comes with a new pin, a spring, and an E-clip to go ahead and lock this into place. What we have to do in order to remove this is drill it out. So let's go ahead and drill out the head of this, and we'll work that pin out. And we'll go ahead and just kind of work this pin a little bit and work the handle at the same time. All right, we can now feed the handle through the front side. And then get that lined up into place. And we can actually feed the pin through the bottom. All right, we're going to go ahead and set this up in its downward position, and we're going to try and twist this pin back up and into the handle to give it its lever action. Get the pin started just so it starts coming through the handle itself. All right, so use a pair of pliers here to grab the spring and rotate it so that that tab comes up underneath. I'm going to go ahead and press the spring down and push this pin in a little bit further. Get that started into the handle. And then we'll push that handle down into place and we'll finish tapping that in. Using a pair of pliers, I'm going to line this up and just press that on. All right, so first we're going to want to feed this pin or the rod up into the handle. Once you get the rod pressed up into the clip, I'm going to go ahead and snap this into place. You might need a pair of pliers to do so. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and lift the door, get this lined up, and get your door lock put up through the hole in the panel. And go ahead and start lining up the window sill and the pins on the door. Then once you get it lined up, just give the door panel a few bops. Go and install your 2 Phillips head screws. And finish off by installing your little button for the screw cover.